bring people together, communities together through storytelling, through knowledge. Is there a way to actually solve real social issues? It was an experiment, and we are really delighted that the experiment was hugely successful, and we were able to actually prove that with bringing community together through collaboration, through motivation, and through empowerment and knowledge, we could solve many such problems. And water was the first problem that we started with. So in 2022, we had our very first what's called the Farmer Cup. So after 5 years of running what's called the Water Cup, where villages competed in watershed management, just like you do to compete for a cricket World Cup or anything like that. They competed for watershed management, and we realized that through knowledge and through coming together, they were able, villagers themselves were able to pull themselves out of drought and to create water abundance within their villages. So in 2022, we segued into agriculture, and now we run something called the Farmer Cup, where we actually run practically, and with the help of agricultural universities across the state, we teach best practices in agriculture. And this year we've expanded to the whole state. We offer this program across the country, across the state of Maharashtra. And again, it's through collaboration, where farmers come together in groups, and we teach best practices, or what are called standard operating practices in agriculture, in 36 crops. And you'd be amazed to see what results they've had through their hard work, through using scientific practices, non-pesticide management. And the great thing is how all women's farmer groups have fared in the cup. We've had incredible success of women's farmer groups. In fact, on our state level prizes, many of the groups that won were all women farmers groups. That's been, for us, one of our great achievements is the participation of women in the cup. And at the same time, Agatsu, which, thank you. We'd love for you to read what we do. And of course, everybody is welcome to join this movement. Agatsu Foundation is something that Ira Khan started. And she started it with the view that mental health is absolutely imperative for us to have any kind of health. And again, it starts with community building and knowledge. And we, in Agatsu, she's created this space for people to come together, because one of the big reasons we feel for mental health issues is that as society, we've sort of fragmented, and we're so disconnected from each other that it's led to so many mental health issues.